How to add EAFC24 to Steam. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to add the esports FC24 to your Steam account or the Steam gameplay, first of all you need to follow the steps mentioned. Now, to get started with, open Steam on your device. Make sure that you log into your Steam account, and on the bottom left corner you will see Add a New Game option. Tap on it and then you will see Add a non-game or non-Steam game. Now, if you find the FC24 in the list, you can tap on it. But if you don't find the game on the list, you can click on the Browse button and go to the game's installation folder on your PC. So if the game is installed on C drive, you can open C drive and check for the open program files you have installed. However, if it is on another location, make sure to browse to the location and tap on it. Once you have selected and opened the file, click on Add Selected Folder or File. Once that is done, you will see that the FC game is added to the list. Now you can just open it and make any changes to the shortcut as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.